Have from Pidilite, of course, the makers of the Fevicol brand. Apurva Parikh, director of Pidilite Industries, now joins in. Apurva, hi, good morning. Your numbers are in line with market estimates, but what's interesting is that operating margins have come down quite significantly. What's led to that, and was that a one-off?
Yeah, good morning. I think the margins have come down because of significant increase in cost of vinyl acetate monomer, which is one of the key raw material. And second, that the US dollar conversion rate in the fourth quarter of current year was much higher than the conversion rate in the fourth quarter of last year. So these two reasons contributed to decline in our gross margins.
Okay. Do you think that gets stalled now, Apurva, or do these problems persist even for the first half of the current year?
So we expect VAM prices to continue to remain high for next couple of quarters. This is mainly due to some demand-supply mismatch globally. So we expect VAM prices to remain a bit high for at least next 2 quarters, and thereafter it may stabilize at a little lower level.
Okay, forgive my ignorance. What exactly is the product you're talking about? I didn't quite get it.
Yeah, the name of the raw material is VAM, vinyl acetate monomer, and it is one of our key raw material. It is used to make products like Fevicol.
Okay, so VAM is how you're pronouncing it.
VAM, okay. Yes, that is correct.
What about advertising expenses? Because we see quite a lot of ads from Fevicol on TV. Of course, one of the best-running ad campaigns for multiple years now. But in terms of budget for ad campaigns, is that going to change next year?
No, see, our advertising expenditure this year may have gone up by about 20-22%, a bit higher than sales growth, and we expect the growth to be in line with sales growth in the coming year. And we do not spend very high amount on advertising, but due to our creatives, we get much better impact than the amount of money that we spend.
So how's growth looking in FY15 itself?
So it's too early to say in the current year, but if you look at our last year, we have been consistently growing at a reasonable pace of growth. We've been growing 18 to 20%. So, we do not see, any change at this moment. We believe that, we will continue to grow at a reasonable pace in the coming year as well.
All right. Thank you very much, Apurva, for joining us with your details. So that's Pidilite, so well known because of its products.